these places are just congested, man. People in London might say, listen, it's nothing, which I get it still. But for Birmingham, these roads are just not only congested, but there's certain times here where the quality of driving just deteriorates. You know the ways there. If you don't, you don't.
From biker, yeah, na 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 na. Ooh. This is a from biker, from rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor.
We're outside again. Yaga yo, yaga yo, yaga yo. We're outside again. Yes, family tree. I hope everybody's good. Outside is hot, you're rotted. Sun a beat. Now we know, have an inkling of what it's like in hell, if there's such a place called that. I'll tell you, you don't want to go there, sir. And me as a heathen, I might turn myself to Jesus Christ. Because just the very thought of dealing with a temperature that's even 1 degree hotter than this is a problem to me, man. But yeah, family, how's it going, man? How you getting on with all this temperature rising, heat wave settings? To be honest, I would strongly suggest in this heat wave, especially if you're going to be fully geared up and stuff like that, which I'm kind of semi-geared up, you don't really want to be riding on the bike unless you're going to places where it's like national speed limit routes. What do I mean by that? So you don't really want to be just doing some little city ride in this start-stop traffic and stuff. Yeah, because number one, your bike is going to cook, and number two, you are going to cook too. Do you know what I mean? It's flipping baking out here, mate. It's baking, it's baking, it's baking. It's too much. Do you get me? And I feel like when the weather's like this as well, I feel like cars act up as well, man. Road users act up. Especially if them don't have AC in them car. Because them just want the car moving. Do you know what I'm saying? I need some food though, man. Seriously. But yeah, man, we're on the East Birmingham side of town. What would you call this? Like Ward End, Washwood Efish. Actually, just up there was like Bordesley Green. But these places are just congested, man. Super congested. I mean, people in London might say, listen, it's nothing, which I get it still. But for Birmingham, these roads are just not only congested, but there's certain times here where the quality of driving just deteriorates. You know the ways there. If you don't, you don't. But yeah, again, just keep your wits about you, innit? Just make sure that you're seen, you're heard. You heard? Get me? And make sure you got your observations on fleek. Make sure that you're looking way, way, way down the road. And make sure you're looking quay back. You get me? So look at this person there. Look. Oh, damn it. No, sir. I feel like I'm riding a kettle. Yeah, you know if you get like one of them Kenwood kettles or whatever brand, I just put 2 wheels on it and a throttle. That's what I'm riding right now. Mate, it's horrible. Alright, we're gonna turn right onto this Cotterell's Lane. Yeah. But trust and believe, I'm coming off the road soon, man, because the heat is too much. I'd rather sit down in my car with the AC on. You know, like that. God, boy. Look on this madman. Huh? Oops, running out in the roads. I'm saying that's why you gotta keep your wits about you, man. Oh, you indicated the last second, yeah? Brilliant. Cotterill's Lane, I used to live down here still, back in the day. Over there they used to do a fair, so every time when the fair's on, it's over there, sir. And over there used to be Washerley School. I don't even know if it's still called that now, to be fair. It's probably turned into some kind of academy or something. What's it called now? Washerley Academy, yeah. Alright family, so stay tuned. We're going to take a ride over to Alum Rock Road. We out.
From biker, yeah, na 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 na. Ooh. This is a from biker, from rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again.